He went to sleep. He was over there snoring, y'all. So child, it's me, KG. Hey y'all. Good morning. Happy Saturday. It's your girl Katina Gooch, and I'm popping in here with another vlog. Me and the mister. We are headed out, getting our day started. We are going to get a couples massage, and yeah, it's been a while and we much deserve it. We work hard, so you know how we do. We play harder. But anyway, yeah, so we headed to get a couples massage, and it's gonna be a nice day. We might go to, what's it called? Harvest Homecoming? The Harvest Homecoming. And I've never been to it. I feel crazy that I ain't even never heard of it, honey. So yeah, so that's what we got in rotation for today. And Brooklyn is going to hang out with her friends. That's what she wanted to do this weekend, for her little birthday activity festivity. And Maya is supposed to be going to the Harvest Homecoming as well with her friend, her boyfriend. So that's all we got right now. I just wanted to pop in here and say happy Saturday. I hope everybody's having a wonderful morning. It is very beautiful out here, and we are going to enjoy the day. And I'll get back with y'all in a minute.
Before we got out, I done locked the damn door before I got out the car. The Gooches is on the way to get some relaxation. Because we deserve it. We put that hard work in, y'all.
Yeah.
And now it's time to go get some relief.
Ooh.
Hour-long couples massage. Let's
Woo.
get it, baby. We can come on down there.
Okay, y'all, so we have had our massage. It was amazing. Woo! Well deserved, much needed. Yes. But anyway, so right now we're at a hotel called Tempo, and we're on our way up to High Stakes Rooftop Grill to have lunch. And then yeah, so we'll get back with y'all. I just wanted to pop in here and let y'all know that our massage was amazing. It felt so good. We both needed it. He went to sleep. He was over there snoring, y'all. So I wish I could have got some footage of y'all hearing him snore, but it was real good. So yeah, we're on our way in here. We're gonna have a little bit of lunch and finish our day. What you guys say, Mr. Gooch? How was your massage?
It was great. I loved it. Loved it, loved it, loved it. Relax. We're ready for the day.
All right.
Want to get a room in here?
Mm-hmm.
to the Gooches. It's good.
Yes.
You know what? This is how I like my pancakes for real.
You do.
With a little syrup and jelly. Let me see how it's made here.
That's good. That's good. Good. I like that lemon zest. That's good. It's different. Good. They are.
Right. I could eat like 2 orders of them in one sitting.
So look, I be doing food reviews all like. I should be doing one of these.
They are good.
Yes,
They're
and
good.
this is like our first like official brunch, really. So
Oh,
yeah,
really?
take all the reviews you want.
Yes, yes. This is good. Delicious. The
Perfect.
potatoes.
Phenomenal chef's kiss.
Yes.
Perfect.
Mhm.
And do you have any comments you want to make so I can tell the chef, or is everything
Tell
good?
'em. Tell them thumbs up.
Yep.
Yep.
I said thank you.
Yes, thank you. Good. I like that boy add lemon zest to it. It's good.
That's what it is. It's like a damn cake.
Mm-hmm.
Lemon cake.
When recording? Thought I was recording over there. I think I
The
was.
Gucci high stakes rooftop grill. Yeah, I gotta go on, bro.
Where?
Still
Oh, okay. It's a display.
so yeah, hotels, restaurants, everything.
I'll see the bird. Them lugs.
Nah, what's the dude on TikTok?
Who?
That's a dude on TikTok that be making fun of people's shoes. He got a song he be singing. when he catch somebody with some messed up shoes on.
I ain't never seen it before.
Oh, cute.
He be talking about people's shoes. All right, y'all. I just wanted to pop in to give y'all a quick OOTD. Me and the hubs been out all day for my birthday weekend, and I just wanted to show y'all what I'm wearing today. We're getting ready to go to a Harvest Fall Festival. And yeah, so I wanted to pop in here and show y'all what I got on. Got me a trucker hat on. I got this from Hobby Lobby. Y'all know I love my hoops. Silver diamond hoops. My regular jewelry. Regular everyday jewelry. And then this dress.
I ain't saying Daddy was in season 2.
Y'all heard Diddy in the background? Alright, y'all, so we made it to the Harvest. Yeah.
Probably should have left my glasses.
We're gonna chill right here.
Okay.
Right there.
So we made it over here. You know what I didn't bring? I didn't bring my glasses. Duh. I wasn't even thinking. Nope. I got it from Ross for less. Just a little black like denim dress with a pocket. And then I have on my woven, it's not a Bottega dupe, but a woven bag. And the hardware on it is silver. So we're doing all silver today. Oh yeah, I forgot about my necklace. My Katina Gooch necklace. No makeup, just brows popping, no lashes, just my regular face. And then for my shoes, I got my Sambas on. Y'all know I told y'all I love these. Very comfortable and cute. And yeah, so that's what I got on for today. But I got a jacket too. So hold on. So I'm going to take this with me because where we're going at, we're going to be by the water. So just in case I get cold, I can throw this little crop jacket on over it. Or either I can tie it around my waist. Y'all know how we do. Tie it around my waist. Yep. So this is what I'm working with. I just wanted to pop in and show y'all what I was wearing for today. And I hope y'all having a good Saturday. It's your girl Katina Gooch. I'll catch you in another one.
Daddy was in season 2.
Y'all heard Diddy in the background? Alright, y'all, so we made it to the Harvest. Yeah.
Probably should have left my glasses.
We're gonna chill right here.
Okay.
Right there.
So we made it over here. You know what I didn't bring? I didn't bring my glasses. Duh. I wasn't even thinking. Nope.
All the clubs over here be going.
And also, I like
You said they do. Which way we going?
2024, New Album, Louisiana. Walk with us.
Everyone.
Goes all the way down there.
Y'all know what it is, the Gooches, 2024. New Albany homecoming, the harvest.
Yeah.
We out here getting our vlog on, and y'all know I stay strapped.
Y'all see it, shooter?
Sorry.
What's up?
There you go.
This is what everybody's coming for. The roasted corn. And we in the line too.
I got her coming. Come here.
That's fine. Got that corn, y'all. Heard it's all backs. At all.
Steaks and them chops on that money,